we're live. I could see, I was like, huh? Wait a minute, this
What's
doesn't look like a
happening?
live, yeah.
They're gonna ask for a challenge. I'm telling you, the challenge anyway.
Hey, what's up, guys? Guess who I got in the building? Boo, 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 boo.
People just asking about the FD.
Yeah, Mall of Africa. Do I have my mentees here?
The mentees have been killing it, eh?
Yeah.
Did you see that guy took 100 or 200 to 3K to 122? That's amazing.
Who's this? Let's see if anybody can guess who that is.
Hey guys.
Who's that?
Accept my request.
That's Ali. You see? They know.
I wonder if they caught NFP today.
Your sister? No.
Oh, here's your food.
How are you guys?
Thanks, Annie.
That was quick. That was
Oh,
quite quick,
the
eh?
pastas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See what we're eating. That's what Ali eating. Imagine.
Good stuff.
Imagine. This is what she's eating. Like, what the hell? That's what she's eating. Well, that's what she's eating, sorry. Eating. And that's what I'm eating. The food comes before the drinks. Imagine. Anyway, guys, so that's Kim Kardashian. Two of your mentors, yes, both of us are here. There she is. See?
We're having business meetings today, guys.
Yeah, we're having a business meeting.
NFP was killed. Nice.
The bar was a bit stuck. Sorry.
Is it?
about that.
No, it's cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Can I actually please ask you for maybe like 2 more lemon wedges?
Okay.
Thank you.
How can you sign up for mentorship? Yo, you've got until Monday, right?
Yeah, they got until Monday. Got until Monday, otherwise you gotta wait until
The next.
October.
Yeah. The next mentorship is I'm profitable because of them. You know, man, that's how we roll. The next mentorship's October.
Well, this one starts
Yeah,
September,
yeah, yeah.
but if they don't sign up by Monday, then
Yeah, so you've got until Monday, guys. You can sign up by Monday.
by Monday, yeah.
See this beautiful lady here? She's gonna teach you guys how to trade. Look at her trade already. Open up your trade. Let me show them. Let me show you a sniper that you got. This is who you're dealing with. Let me show you.
Let it load. It's gone up. It's gone back up.
Did it go back up?
Yeah. But I'll show you which one I did catch.
See?
Thank you.
That's the sniper she caught. Some guy wants to pay for the bill.
Pay for the bill?
Imagine.
Sure.
Sure. You heard that? She's like, sure.
Sure.
Shorty's in Cape Town, guys. Sean is in Cape Town.
Is he based in Cape Town?
He's in Cape Town.
When we said-
Sean is in Cape Town, guys. Anyway, we're gonna get to that. They're eating, yo. It's gonna be a feast. Did I catch that sell? Yeah, they're not gonna sell yet. They're gonna sell, but not yet. And what I teach the guys in the mentorship is sit on your hands if you don't know what's happening, man. Sit on your hands. Even though it's an NFP, sit on your hands until you know what's happening. If you want to sign up for the mentorship, hit me up. Hit me up in my DM, yo.
And told them they must only sign up if they're ready to work.
Did you hear that? Ali's like, you must only sign up if you're ready to work. Ali can eat, guys, yo. If NFP was a gamble, sit on your hands. This one's asking, can Ali even trade? I'm gonna shut up and not even comment. Marco, do you teach how to take 100 to 1,000 in beginners? Yes. We do it. It's a
Tradition.
It's a what?
Tradition.
Yeah, she's calling it a tradition. But yeah, we do it. We do it over and over. Don't just do it once. That's how we get your psychology right. Because you must understand, if you take 100 Rand to 1,000 Rand over and over and over again, it's almost like it becomes a habit. It becomes a very simple procedure. And that's obviously what we want. You want that situation where you're no longer scared of a market. You're sitting on your hands if there's no, real movement taking place. Because you're learning to sit on your hands. How do you learn to sit on your hand? You get burnt. It's the truth though. When you get burnt, you know when they say, did your mother ever teach you not to play with fire? So what happens is, when you play with fire, what happens? You get burnt. And when you get burnt, you don't want to get burnt again. So you stop getting burnt. Simple as that. You stop playing with fire. When we should do a tour, what do you think? They're asking when are we visiting Namibia?
Oh, Namibia. There's some haters in Namibia. Got haters everywhere. I said we got some haters in Namibia.
Oh, we've got haters everywhere.
Maybe we should do a poll.
Yeah.
Do a poll how many, like what city they would come to.
How long does it take to take 100 to 1,000? For me, it's child's play. I don't know. Ali? I don't know. How long?
Well, today I took 200 to 1,000 in 10 minutes.
Ali says today she took 200 to 1,000 in 10 minutes.
It all depends if the opportunity presents itself. I guess.
That's true though. It all depends if the opportunity presents itself. If it does, it can be quick. Quick. I mean, if you think about it, if you look at where I highlighted the bar taking place yesterday, there was no drawdown, nothing. So if I got in with 100 Rand at that level, I'd probably have 10,000 now. And that's not even a joke. I mean, literally. They want to see their best mentor.
Tell them they're looking at it.
I know. They're talking about you. There we go. Here's Ali. Hi Ali, how you doing?
Hey guys. Let's see the comments, what they say.
There's your best mentor.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta go full margin. Hey. Who's signing up for the mentorship for September, guys?
I think we only have 5
spots left.
We have 5 spots left.
There's 5 spots left for September, guys. You gotta sign up before Monday. If you want to sign up for signals, you gotta send message to Mark on Instagram. I'm cute and trade like a gent. I disagree. I've been trading for maybe like 2.5 years.
She must. You can challenge her. Good luck, though. Can definitely challenge her.
Yeah, if you want to sign up, you got to do it quick, guys. Monday we start. Yes, of course, trading ranges is different from Sasha. It's a whole different. If you don't know structure, you're not going to know how to implement that. NFP was awesome, thanks.
NFP was trash. That was not NFP. Was that NFP?
Well, NFP pushed up, but I didn't catch the push up.
No, but I mean,
It wasn't great, but
yeah, it wasn't that amazing.
it wasn't like a 10,000 foot move.
No, but I believe the main move will come in at 5. That's why I'm saying these guys didn't sit on their hands. A lot of them probably got burnt.
Got burnt, yeah.
The big move is coming at about 5. You'll see. They're obviously generating that liquidity that they need to generate now. Then watch.
Guys, if you want to sign up for the mentorship for September, so basically how it works is if you want to do the mentorship in September, you got to be in before Monday, because Monday's got the first class. So yeah, if you don't, then you got to wait another month and you only start in October. I wouldn't say I've been trading as long as Marco. Marco's probably like a year. How long
Not
have you been
even.
trading? A year more than me.
Not even. I'm 3 years.
3 years. About a year.
Okay.
Almost a year. You don't have to have a laptop for mentorship, but it definitely helps to analyze. So I would highly recommend that. Or if you can get a hold of like an iPad, that could also work. But a phone is just not going to be. It's not going to be great. 100%. If you can't see liquidity, then you are the liquidity.
That's going to be rich because most of you guys are going to be the liquidity. Wait until the actual move happens.
Yes, I was Marco's student. Best mentorship I ever did, guys. I've done plenty of mentorships and nothing can compare, I'll be honest with you. I wouldn't rep it if I didn't believe it, I'll be honest. How's the tune there? You can go listen to my music on Spotify and Apple and YouTube, guys. It's Ali Jordan. Yeah, definitely. Daily pip cycle is it's a part of understanding the different sessions and whatnot. If you're starting to feel like you can challenge Marco, then go for it.
Okay.
Thanks, Anele. Hey, Dawn. I'd say like a month. The biggest thing is psychology, guys. Like, you can learn. We have plenty of students who've learned the mentorship and they want to talk down on the mentorship and say that it didn't work for them. But the biggest thing is psychology. So if you don't know how to implement that and like cut bad habits, you're just not going to be profitable. And that's with anybody's strategy. So it doesn't matter whose mentorship that you go in, whose mentorship that you learn. If you're not psychologically like ready and you're not working on those things to cut out bad habits, it's not going to work. You saw Marco saying 9K for NASDAQ. Oh, like price coming to 9K.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say price is going to move up from about 11.
Move up from about 11.
11 and then drop again.
Yes, I pretty much only trade NASDAQ. US 30 sometimes. I like how US 30 moves, but NASDAQ has my heart. Yeah, that's exactly it, Casper. The psychology in the game is unreal. It's what breaks everyone, 100%. Best time frame for entries, 1 minute for sure.
Oh yeah, no, definitely.
If you want a little drawdown, you got to go lower time frame. Sure, no problem. What session do I trade? I trade any session, like whether it's London session gives me a move, New York session. It all really depends, like when my setup presents itself. Expecting a big buy now, because there's too much liquidity now. It's going to wipe out the liquidity. Yeah, definitely. There's liquidity and imbalance resting to the top side and the bottom side, but I don't think they finish coming down.
Oh no, definitely.
If you're interested in signals, guys, you got to DM Marco. No, I'm not, Conrad. One-on-ones with Marco are
A lot.
a lot, guys. Yes, I'm full-time into trading, guys. The key. Hey, Ali, thank you for the fire lesson so far. Oh, it's only a pleasure. How do you manage your emotions? You got to manage your emotions by, first of all, you got to trust your analysis. Like if your analysis isn't on point and you're taking a trade, then expect to be a wreck. You know, if you're not waiting for confirmation and you're just entering the market when the market's at a certain level, just expect to, be a wreck in terms of your emotions. But if you have reason to be in a trade there, that's where you overcome your emotions, when your analysis is on point and when your understanding of the market is on point. Yeah, that's exactly it. 25K for a one-on-one, guys, and it's like an hour session. So
No,
come do the mentorship.
It's 5 hours.
Oh, it's 5 hours. Sorry, my mistake.
It's a day mentorship with me. A day one-on-one with me is 25,000.
Okay, a day one-on-one with Marco is 25K. Yeah, you can book a one-on-one with me too. What's better, Marco signals or mentorship? Well, guys, to be honest, it's like, think about it. Do you want to be dependent on someone, or are you trying to create that freedom for yourself? Signals is going to give you, some consistency in that sense, but what happens if Marcus doesn't want to trade, doesn't want to do signals anymore? What happens if, that's not the case? Then you don't have the knowledge. So me, personally, I would encourage you to learn the mentorship.
I mean, because it's as simple as do you want to be fed all your life?
Do you want to learn how to fish for
yourself? Or do you want to learn to fish for yourself?
100%. 25K, guys, because that's what it takes. because the knowledge is too much.
The knowledge is it's worth the trust. The knowledge is worth the 25,000. Trust.
If you're interested in signals, guys, just DM Marco. He'll send you the packages. How much signals are sent a week? You get like almost a signal every day? Yeah. What happens after the mentorship is over? Well, that's, you basically have the tools to trade for yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once the mentorship is over, you gotta fly by yourself.
And a lot of people do.
Yeah, a lot of people do. But you gotta be willing to put in the work.
Definitely.
How long have you been trading, and when did you start trading? I started trading I started learning like 2.5 years ago, but I would say I've only been trading for about 2 years. Someone in the brother, they should message one of your fake accounts. Yeah, that's
Me?
Yeah, they're just saying.
Oh, yeah, guys, there's like 200 fake accounts out there. Just know that. Just know that there's a lot of people trying to implement things and try being me, and this is my only account, by the way.
Yeah.
I don't know why, Instagram doesn't want to verify it, but until then, you're going to have to deal with the other 200 people that are trying to be me.
Yeah, if a Marco is messaging you, then you know it's not Marco.
Yeah, I'm definitely not messaging anybody. And I'm not following anybody either.
Yeah. How long did it take you to get consistent? To be honest, I'd say I was consistent before coming to Marco's mentorship, but I wasn't at the place where I am now. So I'd say like after learning Marco's mentorship, it took me maybe like a month to get my head screwed on correctly in terms of like psychology. Psychology was always the main thing for me. I think that's what it is for 90%.
But psychology is 80% of trading.
Yeah.
The analysis and understanding the market and everything, that's 20%. 80% is psychology.
100%. Is the Marco Grassini with 130k followers fake? Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Probably bought those 130k followers. That's something.
Is that not my DJ page?
Oh, maybe no, but that's what are you, Mark Vegas?
Yeah, Mark Vegas is my DJ page.
Mark Vegas is his DJ page, guys. My Insta handle is at Ali Jordan. Let me put it here. How do I do this?
And everybody who thinks that the mentorship that we have is on YouTube, like I said, if it doesn't have this woman inside and Sean, it's not the fucking mentorship. Because this guy's like, yo, I've leaked your 7 episodes. I'm like, what? 7 episodes? Yeah, we good.
Oh, good, thank you.
7 episodes. It's as simple as this. Does it have a girl called Ali in the mentorship? Is there a girl mentoring you?
If not, then it's not the mentorship.
Then it's not the mentorship.
Yeah, that's exactly it. Marco told me accuracy, 100%. If you analyze the market and know what you're doing, you will do good. I have noticed that my emotions always get the best of me. Yeah, it's just doing it over and over again. That's why we have the 100 to 1,000 challenge. Because once you do that, think about it. You put 100 Rand in, you take it to 1,000. Then you can withdraw your 900 Rand and put 1,000 Rand in again. And then you're playing with free money. Like, that's when you lose the emotion, because you're not actually trading with your own money. There's no fear of losing money. And that's what you have to... like basically.
The minute you make your first 1,000, you'll start conquering the fear of losing money, because you're not even losing money. You get me? You're not even losing money. So what's actually happening is you're making money. So let's say you take 100 to 1,000, you then take another 100 to 1,000, right? How much have you made? You've made 1,900 because you haven't lost your 100.
100%.
And if you keep doing that and you take 100 and you've used 100 Rand to make 10,000 Rand, then what's stopping you from taking that 1,000 rand to 100,000 rand? And if you can do something with 100 rand, what can you do with 1,000 rand? What can you do with 10,000 rand?
Do you think anyone who did Marco's mentorship can be as profitable as him? Yeah, 100%. But it's not about like an overnight success, guys. Like, it's not gonna happen overnight. That's what a lot of people get wrong. Like, yeah, that's exactly it, Don. People think this is a get-rich-quick thing. It's not. It's really not. It takes a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication. That's why so many people give up on trading. That's why so many people call it a scam, because they can't actually overcome their own emotions, and they can't like stick to their rules. So that's what gets the best of them. What strategy was I using before Marco? I was using some SMC. I learned like retail courses and stuff like that. But there was definitely like something missing. So yeah, Marco taught me structure in a whole new way, and that implemented everything in like an incredible way for me, I'll be honest. But also just the concepts, like the concepts nobody's teaching out there, like, and also how to use them correctly. Like, that is the biggest thing. Like, if you're using, so many people out there are saying, okay, we SMC, we're learning how to trade using order blocks and whatnot, but it's like, which order block actually holds and
exactly
which one doesn't? They don't teach you that. So yeah.
Nobody would have seen that the 5-minute order block held yesterday that pushed price up. It was a 5-minute order block that left an imbalance that needed to be cleared out. Nobody would have. I mean, SMC doesn't teach you that. They teach you that they're going to come out and clear imbalance. They don't teach you how they're going to clear out imbalance. They don't teach you which imbalance they're going to clear out, so you know which way the market's going to be heading. But
it's a combination of things. Guys, ICT is, don't get me wrong, like, concepts that ICT teaches are great concepts, but nobody makes it simpler than what Marco's mentorship does. Yes, I am Ali.
You only figured that out now?
I think they just joined. It's about using what works for you as well. Yes, of course we teach supply and demand. Supply and demand is what moves the market.
It's key structure.
Yes, you want to see Marco? Marco's having some pasta.
I'm here. You can hear my voice, but I'm here.
There we go. The mentorship changed my whole way of understanding trading. There we go.
Who's that?
Kosh.
Oh, is he here?
Yeah, see, just right now.
What's up, buddy? Did you He had an issue.
No, he's not. Yeah.
He had an issue with psychology.
Kosh.
He hit me up and he was like,
how do I overcome it?
No. This movement took place. My analysis was 100%, but it went the opposite direction.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, let's go back to your chart. And then, so what happened was, the reason the market went into a different direction is because they had already cleared out 50% of that imbalance.
Oh, I see.
So obviously, what would they do? They would then push up for momentum to push lower. And it was like, oh, fuck.
So that must have been
right,
the click.
Right, exactly. You see?
Nice.
That's why you need the mentorship. Yeah, but now he's doing well, eh?
Yeah.
He's doing very well.
Yeah, guys, Wyckoff is just like what we teach. Wyckoff is pretty much like it's based like structure is Wyckoff. So like if you understand structure, you'll understand Wyckoff without even understanding all the funny terms and all the, you know, the certain terms that
The
Wyckoff,
STs
yeah,
and your,
all of that
your
stuff.
secondary tests and your...
And also, by the time you wait for
Springs.
Wyckoff to play out, you've missed the trade. So you only kind of really can recognize Wyckoff, you know, once it's kind of played out. So it takes a lot of
Let me make it simple. Wyckoff is for direction. Simple as that.
Yeah,
Wyckoff shows you direction.
there we go. You
It
heard.
shows you the way forward in which the market wants to drive itself.
All based off of structure, 100%. Yes, I do. And no, guys.
What?
They're asking if I'm your girl.
No. We are business partners.
We're business partners. Do you and Tamila and Marco use the same kind of strategy but different words?
No, we use the exact same strategy.
Same
And the
stuff.
exact same content. It's nothing different. The only difference is I might have gotten a better entry than her, or she might have gotten a better entry than me. It's all about entry, and then it's about who has the better psychology. So
Which is definitely Marco.
I can go in full margin and not care.
Yeah.
She can't go full margin. Still need to teach her that. But I can go full margin
Yeah.
and make money from that.
100%.
Whereas a lot of people are too scared to go full margin. And the thing is that where do you go full margin? So first you test the waters, but obviously I'm not gonna just spill the beans here.
No.
But in the mentorship, you know, the guys in the mentorship know that as we, you know, dive deeper into the mentorship, we start teaching you where is the best place to start entering trades at full margin, knowing that you are safe here, the market will not, and I repeat, will not
Come back.
to this level. You are good to go. The market is gone. You are gone with it. And every time something happens, you place more trades. You place more trades. You place more trades. You place more trades until you're sitting with 25 trades, 35 trades, 45 trades, just waiting for your take profit level. And there we go. Simple as that. And I mean, if you can do it with one trade, then, and that's how it worked with me. Since I could do it with one trade, why couldn't I do it with 5 trades? And if I could do it with 5 trades and it still played out, why couldn't I do it with 10 trades? Why am I wasting my time here? You understand? And to me, it was like, why am I wasting my time? Like, I could have put 10 in here and I would have made double what I made because I put 5. Let me stop being scared. Let me put 10 because I'm so used to this thing playing out. It doesn't neglect me. It continues to, you know, be on my side. You know, when I enter at this certain level, you know, price continues to drive itself, whichever direction it's going in. I'm like, okay, so this is how it works. And there we go. You're getting over your psychology. Now you're no longer fearing the market because you're at a point where, you know, you're doing this over and over so many times that it's become a norm that now it's literally just a norm. You know that, okay, price comes here, boom. As soon as price comes here, I'm entering. Even if I'm entering 10, 15, I'm good. I know that once price takes off from this level, I'm gone. Simple as that.
Yeah, that's exactly it, Don. When I started using money I made from the markets, a lot of the fear disappeared. That's what it's about. Then you're not really losing your money.
No.
You're losing the market's money if you had to lose it. Hey, Shukatani. Yes, Jack, I was. That's 100%. That's 100% correct. Being consistent is way better than one huge profit, of course.
Yeah, of course.
You can have one big win and then, you know, 5 big wins and 1 major loss. If you don't know how to manage your trades, like, then, you know, it's gonna take a knock on your psychology and your profit.
And it's the worst.
I want to see you.
Oh, okay. And the worst part. No, I'm cool.
Let me give him that. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. I'm here, guys. Don't worry. You can see half of me. You can see half of Ali. There we go. Now, the worst part is, you know, when you start losing money, automatically it drives your psychology away from actually being profitable, because now you lose money, you're like, ah, shit, you know, you lose money again. It's the same thing. If you keep losing money, you're going to stop getting involved in the market. But if you're winning money, what are you going to do? You're going to want more wins. You're going to get more involved in the market. It's just as simple as that. So what you want to try do at best is not lose money. Not lose money means getting in at the right time, means understanding the market, means understanding direction. Because when you understand, you know, all these three aspects, it gives you a better understanding on where it is you are going to enter this trade. You understand? And when a certain something happens, you understand, you're going to take the next method and perhaps even go in with a bigger lot size, or go in, with multiple trades. You get me? Her sow is in danger. She closed. She closed when she made 1,000 rand. You see, that's knowing the market. We knew that the market wasn't going to sell, right? That they were getting momentum to push higher. So why would you continue to stay in a sell? You wouldn't. Doesn't make sense. So you get in with a quick scalp, sell the market off, and then buy it. You understand? So she sold and she took 200 rand to 1,000. And that's what we teach, guys. We honestly speaking, you know, there's a lot of guys out there that, you know, can't back it up. Understand? They can't back it up because, you know, they themselves don't know about trading. They themselves don't know about the psychology. How am I going to teach you how to mop if I myself can't mop? How am I going to teach you how to do something if I myself cannot do that certain something that I'm going to try to teach you? Doesn't make sense. You understand? You need to follow the leader. You understand? You need to follow pursuit. I need to see you do it in order for me to do it. And I need to see you do it better than me, because that then gives me an understanding that you know what you're doing. So, and obviously that's all taught in the mentorship. You know, that's we dive deep into the mentorship, and you can see a lot of the guys here that are in the mentorship are telling you how great it is. And you know, I show on my posts over and over again, you know, how great the guys are doing in the mentorship and whatnot, because that's the reality of it. You know, the reality is that this mentorship is a good mentorship. And you know, you've got two great mentors. You've got me, which is and I like to say this, which is probably South Africa's best Forex trader. And I've always said, you know, if you want to challenge it. But at the end of the day, you understand, not many people can do what I do. Even the ancestors of Forex can't do what I do. Can't do what I've done, past tense. You understand? So you're dealing, you know, you're dealing with big brackets here. You know, you're not dealing with the small fish. This person's like, why you lied about the 3.7 million? Now, first of all, let me explain this to you. So, you see Rado made a video. So Rado made a video, cool, and he said that there's a deposit, it only shows a deposit of 100 Rand. How?
Oh, there we go.
Are we back? Okay. You understand? Soon as we,
You made a deposit.
yeah, soon as he said I made a deposit of 100 Rand, I was like, yeah, so what's wrong? I mean, if I take 100 Rand, Ali did it with 200 Rand. She can show you right now. If Ali can take 200 Rand to 1,000 Rand, what's stopping me from taking 100 Rand, right, to 1,000 Rand, or 100 Rand to 10,000 Rand, and 10,000 Rand to 100,000 Rand, and 100,000 Rand to 1 million, and 1 million to 3 million? Come on. There's nothing there to say that I didn't have that type of money. You understand? There's nothing there. Nothing.
And guys,
Nothing there.
there was something where they like said, like, you know, there's that icon, and the icon is like crossed out. Yeah, like, guys, if the icon has a slice through it, you have to press it to cover the money. So go and look at it for yourself on the portal. If it's crossed out and the icon is like got a slice through it, basically your money will show. And if it's not, it will just show little stars. So they just creating a whole bunch of nonsense. Like, you need to realize something: content sells. The reason why they're doing what they're doing is because they're trying to sell content. They're trying to sell content. They're making money off of YouTube views. That's
the only way he makes money.
So
literally.
Yeah.
It's not even a joke. Sponsorship,
I mean, yeah. Nice tomato.
No, think about it. Right? I once took 100 to 3K, and there's guys in the mentorship that have done 100. No, I'm lying. 1,000
to 122.
To 122,000. 1,000 to 122,000. But that other guy made 70,000. What was that from? Maybe you made 77.
Oh yeah.
You made 77,000.
300.
It was something low. It was like 300.
It was like 300 or 500.
These guys who have taken 300, 500 Rand to 70,000 Rand. So what are you saying? It proves nothing. Nothing. Now the reason I took it down, right, is it because it had my account number on it. That's how they got the information. So when I realized that the account number was showing and that is dangerous, I took it down. And that's the reason I took it down. You get me? That's the reason I took it down. It wasn't because someone told me. Guys, if you are doing this to a broker like IFX, trust me, they would sue the shit out of you. They would sue you. Oh, they would sue you heavy. They would sue me if that wasn't true. They would sue you, guys. They would sue you. So, but obviously now, you know, he needed, I feel like he needed someone to go after, and the opportunity arise, and he was like, there it is. But there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. If you can't take 100 Rand to 1,000 Rand, or 100 Rand to 3 million Rand, then that's you. That's not me. You can't question me on that. That's not me.
You don't need to prove it anymore.
No, of course not. But I'm just saying that that's not me. If you, as a useless trader, if you can't trade to save your life, don't come rub that energy on me. I can trade.
Come to the mentorship.
I've traded it many times. So it has nothing. That has nothing. The only reason I took that video down, the only reason I took that thing down is because it had that C1. I don't know if you saw that number, C1.
Your account number.
Yeah, exactly, my account number.
For sure.
So I took that down because you can get even more information there. You can get the address.
Yeah.
You can get so much information there. So yeah, that's the reason I took it down. It was stupid. I didn't even see that it was up there. That's the only reason I took it down. That's why even when you saw me doing my Veracity withdrawals and whatever, not, I never showed my account. I never once showed my account number.
Who took R2 to 1 billion, guys?
I want to be that guy. R2. I want to be that. ICT is scared. Scared of what? Does the mentorship start from scratch? Oh yeah, baby. You're a crawling baby when you come to my mentorship. You are crawling. You don't know anything.
Thank you so much.
You know nothing. Can I get another one of these? Guys, there's nothing like ICT. This person's like, Marco, are you using SMC or ICT? ICT is a person who uses SMC. Guys, ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader. He trades SMC, Smart Money Concepts. We trade Smart Money Footprints. There's a bit of a change there. Even in the wording, there's a bit of a change, but there's also, you know, content and certain things that we use that ICT doesn't use, or SMC, if you want to call it that. Yeah. Do I know Tumelo? Yes, I know Tumelo. Do I send signals every day? Yeah, well.
If there's a, most days.
Yeah, most of the time, if there's a setup, then definitely. Which broker am I using now? I am using FX Pro. Guys, FX Pro is a great broker. I'm going to just tell you the downfalls. If you're going to do a wire transfer, it's going to take a long time. Trust me, I know. But if you withdraw through PayPal, it's very quick. You'll probably sit in with, I don't know, 3-4 hours, you should have your money.
In PayPal, at least.
Oh yeah, PayPal's quick. Sure. That's one thing I love about FX Pro. When they pay out and they pay to PayPal,
It's fast.
it's quick. It's so quick. Even if it's something quite big, like maybe 100,000 or 120,000, they pay it out.
A few hours.
Oh yeah, they pay it out. But you can't do more than 170,000 on PayPal, unfortunately. With FX Pro, they don't allow more than 170,000 paid out to PayPal. Obviously, per transaction. Yeah.
The retail.
FX Pro will ask
yeah?
you, do you want to are you happy with the requote? Are you happy with the requote? Are you happy with the
Oh,
requote?
I see.
By that time, the market's falling and the
Okay.
position hasn't gone in.
Oh, flip. Okay. They all have their pros and cons. Xmas' spread is crap. It's not great.
They manipulate their spreads.
Yeah, floating spread.
So the floating spread always is manipulated.
Yeah.
Whereas FX Pro doesn't manipulate it. FX Pro does not manipulate their spreads. What happened to
Shame people
Veracity?
are they're praying and hoping
They're
that
very-
Veracity comes back.
But they should come back. I believe Shelly's fighting it hard, eh?
Isn't it? Just a matter of time.
Shelly's fighting it. She's fighting it hard. Who am I trading the mentor? I'm trading with the other mentor.
My egg handles at Ali Jordan _
Yeah, you can make multiple transactions, but remember with FX Pro, you can't have more than, I think it's 4? You can't have more than 4 withdrawals per day.
Okay, well that's key.
Yeah, so it would be 170 times 4. Yeah, you could do that. You could do 170 times 4 once it clears. But you can't do more than 4 transactions per day using PayPal.
It's Jordan with the A at the end. ALLYJORDAN_. There we go, yeah. You gotta, if you're interested in mentorship, guys, you gotta send Marco a message because the first class for September starts on Monday. If you miss the enrollment for September, you gotta wait till October.
Yeah. Guys, I'm going to try boat.
No, I'm not Afrikaans speaking.
They've been pushing and begging me, yeah.
Have you tried them before?
No. But they want me to. They were like, Marco, can you test us?
Oh, okay.
We won't disappoint. I'm
Okay.
like, okay, cool.
Why not?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I actually have another almond cappuccino, please? Thank you. The pricing for the class is it's on your Instagram, eh? Yeah, it's on Marco's feed.
That's for you.
Yes, I am. RCG Markets. I feel like that's some
Is it?
RCG Markets. I feel like that's some dodgy.
Isn't RCG a white label broker?
I'm not sure.
I think they're white label.
But I see a
think
lot of
they're
people like pushing them.
I think they're piggy banking off someone.
Okay. Like a real estate agent. Oh, that's too funny. No, the mentorship and signals is 2 different things.
Yeah. But you see, if you get mentorship, you don't need signals.
RCG is the same as Volts and Veracity. The Veracity market should come back. I think everyone's waiting for Veracity to come back.
They should come back.
Fibonacci is my wife. Athens markets. Let me just pin my egg handle here. How do we pin something?
I think just, so what you do is you type it out,
Okay.
and then you pin it. So you tap onto it and you pin it.
Okay. And then pin. Do you take a lot of losses on your signals? No, guys. Hardly any losses. Someone's asking how old you are.
Oh, guys, I'm a grandpa.
Hey, Pierre. Stone cold. Ooh, yes, definitely. I'm so stone cold. Ask all the students.
Is she also trading? No, what's that? We've never heard of it.
Definitely. Yeah, I've been trading for about 2 years, guys. Thank you. Signals, you got a DM. This is DJ Order Block. What's the loss?
Don't. This is DJ Order Block.
In the mentorship that starts Monday, what time are classes starting? Come on, guys. There's a message that's been pinned. It's 8 p.m.